Yeah, hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to talk to you, I guess the less you do, the more profitable you are when it comes to driving with ride sharing. Here's the reason why I said this. In the past few weeks or so, I observe how I drive, how I interact with passengers. What I meant by less you do is this: I drive in a peak hour. I don't start conversation unless they start conversation with you. So first thing when they get into the car, I always ask them, you know, is your name John? Or if they have an Asian name, especially with all the Chinese characters or Japanese characters, I don't even try to pronounce that name. And I just ask them, you're going to blah suburb. So example would be Kensington. Yes or no, then that's it. From there, it's up to them. So it's up to them if they're going to start the conversation or not. I don't try to start them unless they start the conversation. That's what I meant by less. Just ask them, hey, your name, your destination, that's it. If they started to chatty with you, then yeah, okay, you start your conversation with them. But most of the time when I drive in the morning, especially going to work, they don't really want to talk to you. That's where I realized, especially during that peak hour, they just go, hey, John Smith, going airport, going to the city. Great, that's it. And that's it. I just let it be quiet, especially when they sit at the back. When they sit at the back, I just automatically I have this blank of, okay, you're sitting at the back for a reason, you don't want to talk. And to me, I found it's less, like it gives them a little bit of privacy, I guess. You know, probably they didn't have a good morning or a little bit stressed out going to work, so I don't start a conversation with them. And the other one would be, I don't chase any location. I don't chase, I guess, you know, promotion area. I usually just stay put. Especially, it doesn't make sense if you're, say, in the city, for example, and there's a promotion, like say in Bondi, like a surging around Bondi or something. That will take you a long time to drive to get there. And by the time you get there, most likely whatever that promo is, it's going to disappear. So I don't chase that. I don't even do like special events. Yeah, special events are actually a nightmare, you know, instead of being profitable. Especially like if there's a like a football game, or if there's a like a concert on, or at the moment Spring Carnival, you know, going to the races. So any of big events when there's an influx of people, I don't usually drive in that area as well, because it's so hard to get there, to get the passenger. I'd rather get a passenger somewhere else instead of waiting in the traffic. So waiting in traffic, try and figure out where they are, and most likely they're probably not going to show up. So avoid it at any cost. But that's me. Like, I mean, some people look at it and go, oh, it's very profitable. Yeah, it's very profitable in that ride, but the rest of the days probably won't. I don't know, that's just my 2 cents, guys. So yeah, the less I do, if I don't have a passenger, I just hang around. Like I said, I don't drive anywhere. Yeah, for about 10 minutes. On the weekend, long weekend is probably the best time to drive. Oh, for the people that are not familiar of the city, that's probably the best time to drive on a long weekend or a school holiday, to drive in the city and try to familiarize yourself of the CBD. So yeah. Anyway, that's my 2 cents, guys, for this week. Don't forget to subscribe, comment. Have any questions, write them in the comment below, and I'll try to answer them on the next video. Talk to you guys later. Cheers, bye.